Hi guys, welcome to Learn with Tridib. Today I will take you through a mini series where we will learn an extremely important and very exciting thing, how to draw expressions. Do you know the strangest part is that your brain can actually decipher any expression based on just three dots and one circle, which we call the potato head. So positioning three different dots at the correct position inside the potato head can give you plethora of expressions that you cannot imagine also. Also, what I will show in this roller coaster journey, as I call, I will take the three dots in two sides of the circle and I will show you that how it gives a sense of direction, as well as it gives the face a 3D shape. So without much ado, let's get started. But before that, as usual, I will request you to subscribe to the channel and please hit the bell icon so that you get all the notifications from this channel right there when I upload any video. Also, if you really like this video, please like, share and comment, and also please pass on this word of mouth to your friends, relatives or whoever you know can be benefited from this channel. As you know, this channel is absolutely free and I will be really happy if all my hard effort is reaching the right audience and they are getting benefit from it. So, without much ado, let's get started.